Hi guys, to download Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection on your PC, first head over to the Steam website and just create an account or sign up your account. After you create an account, click on the install Steam option you will see on the top and download and install the Steam on your PC. And after you install the Steam, open up the Steam and sign into your account and click on the top search box and type here the Monster Hunter Stories 3. You will find this game on the top search results, so just open up this game and just scroll down and click on the add to library if you want to play the trial version of this game. You can simply add to library and just install it. If you want to play the actual game, just click on this add to cart option and just go to your cart and just simply pay the amount. After you pay the amount, you will find this game in your Steam library. So just go to your Steam library and just find this game and just hit install. And if you find this guide helpful, please like this video and thanks for watching.